Hey guys, this is me Zishan Asmi. I'm sure you guys are doing good. Well, we recently had the opening of IKEA in Bangalore, and since we are setting up our home, we wanted some furniture. So we recently ordered a TV rack, a TV bench for us, and we ordered it around a week back, around 5 days back, and it got delivered today. And the main thing of IKEA is they don't send you the final assembled finished product. They send us different parts, and that's what we have to assemble at home, and that's what I will be doing. So these are all the parts of the TV rack, starting from the all the pieces, all yeah, the parts of the bench, and then the screws. The user manuals are here, and it will be certainly of experience. So let me try. I'll take you further. All right, so I'll be doing some unboxing right now. I'll be using some of my instruments, and I'll be using this fantastic eyeball drill machine which will be supporting me. Here we go. Let's see how this turns out to be. Alright, so we'll take you through the entire journey. Hey people, so we are on our day 2. Yesterday we spent around 1.5 hours, and now the structure is ready. The basic structure is ready. And now we will be further moving on, putting some shelves, the drawers, and then we'll have the finished product. Alright, so we have now finally the finished product, the assembled
BESTA bench with drawers from IKEA. An extreme great satisfaction, I would say. Certainly we got a sense of satisfaction after setting this up. We're spending good 1.5 hours yesterday, 1.5 hours today, and finally getting this finished product to be ready. And here it is. It certainly looks beautiful, very beautiful, compact, sturdy, and very elegant, I must say, with 2 spaces over there to keep things, your gadgets, and a beautiful drawer. In fact, 2 beautiful drawers here. Here we go. It closes in smoothly, smooth closure. Alright, so now we are done with the first assembling of our first IKEA product. Thank you so much. Have a really good time. Stay tuned for further videos to come in, and I would certainly recommend this product. Go ahead, buy something from IKEA, assemble it. It'll give you a certain sense of satisfaction. Take care then. Bye-bye.